Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to refer friends or family to Navy Federal Credit Union. First, open your browser and search Refer Family Navy Federal on Google. Click on the first result that says Refer Family and Friends to Navy Federal. This will take you to the referral application page. As a Navy Federal member, you can invite your friends and family to join. Fill out the required fields, your first name, your last name, and your email address. Next, enter the name and email of the friend or family member you want to refer. Once everything is complete, click Submit. And that's it. That's how to refer friends or family to Navy Federal Credit Union. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.